Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Venmo business account for content monetization, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable a Venmo business account for content monetization, start by downloading the Venmo app if you haven't done so already. Open the app and log in to your existing Venmo account or create a new account if necessary. Navigate to the menu icon, usually located in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings to access your account configuration options. Scroll down to find the Business section within the Settings menu. Tap on Create a Business Profile to begin setting up your business account. Follow the prompts to enter your business name, description, and profile picture. Make sure to provide accurate information as this will reflect your brand. Next, you'll be asked to link your business bank account to facilitate transactions. Enter your bank account details and follow the verification steps provided by Venmo. Once your bank account is linked, it's time to set pricing for your services or products. Consider competing prices and what your audience is willing to pay when setting these rates. After establishing your pricing, review and confirm your business details to finalize the setup. Once your business account is ready, start promoting your Venmo handle through your content channels. Make sure to clearly state how your audience can use Venmo to support you or purchase from you. Monitor your transactions directly through the app, ensuring you keep track of earnings and fees. Regularly update your business profile to keep it engaging and relevant. Stay informed about any changes in Venmo's policies or features related to business accounts. By following these steps, you'll successfully enable a Venmo business account for content monetization. Now you're ready to monetize your content and engage more closely with your audience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.